Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent pump on Bitcoin. We touched the $73,000 guys, so we are just a little bit away from the previous all-time high here. We're going to talk about it in this video. We are going to talk about some altcoins. We're going to talk about my trades on the WEEX exchange, and we are going to talk about some new upcoming opportunities. Do I think the market will keep pumping, or do I think we will see some correction? Let's dive into it right now. For now, we can see here Bitcoin $72,000 guys, $72,000 here. We touched the 73,000 actually, and that's quite bullish. We went actually even to the previous all-time high guys. As we can see here, we touched the 73,610. This is where the previous all-time high was. So right now we see we are facing a little bit of a resistance there. Will we manage to go above that area or not? Let's quickly go over here and take a closer look. I'm gonna scroll out of here and zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. We can see here we had the previous all-time high here, exactly almost the same price area like right now. Will we manage to go above that? This is the new question from today. In my opinion, we will break through very soon. Right now we are already on the way of this breakout here. So the price target of this one is $120,000 right here. This is my price target for Bitcoin. This I think will be reached in the next 6 months most likely. I think I'm quite bullish, and many other people are bullish, like Venek just mentioned that Bitcoin can go to $3 million per Bitcoin. So there is no reason not to be bullish right now. Let's quickly take a closer look here at the chart and see if we can see some patterns here on the 1 hourly. Let's see. On the 1 hourly, everything looks actually great guys. We are forming here nice uptrend to the upside. Looks almost like parabolic rise, and we will probably consolidate a little bit here. We see we are forming a little bit of a bull flag or bullish pennant right here, and with that being said, I expect the price to consolidate a little bit here. Probably maybe we can go to the 71k, and after that go back to the upside. So I'm quite bullish here. Now let's quickly go over to WEEX and check out my trades right here. As we can see here, my Solana trade up $5,729. This is quite nice. I'm quite happy with it. I already realized some profits on it. I took already $930 in profits here. Then we have here my VIF trade, which is $2,600 in the profit. But let's not forget, I realized unfortunately some losses here, 5,726. This happened because my position got close to the liquidation price. Like this is a cross position, and the more near it gets to a liquidation price, the exchange is basically taking some margin out from the position, and that's how it happened. I'm still long on VIF. I think it will probably go to $2.90 very soon. That's why I'm gonna make my money back with this position. So I'm quite even right now with this Solana trade, and basically it's evened out. So you can see sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Nothing to worry. Like the most important thing is that you know your risk management. Don't over leverage, don't use more than you can afford to lose, and always use technical analysis so you know if you're entering in a good point or not. Here it happened, we had some turbulences in the market, some geopolitical disturbances, but this is okay. Let's see right here. We're gonna go to CoinMarketCap and see what happened right here. Let's see how are the altcoins performing. You can see Doge is up 26% in the last 7 days guys. And you remember I just made a video on Doge. If you look one of my previous videos, you can check what's about Doge, and I'm still very bullish on Doge because it is the main meme coin. It was the first meme coin, and it's also backed by some serious players like Elon Musk and many big investors, because Doge was the first meme and it's here to stay. I assume Doge will probably go to $1. Very possible this bull market. So in the next 12 months we can see a $1 Dogecoin. This would be a 5x from here, 5.5x around. Quite an opportunity to grab some Doge. Then we can see some other big gainers are Popcat, Radium, which is the exchange, the decentralized exchange on Solana, where most of these meme coins are traded, like Popcat or WEEX or some other Solana meme coins. And as we can see here in the top 100, the memes are leading right here. We can see 26% Dogecoin, 20% Popcat, WEEX had 10% up, Solana. So we can see another meme here. The meme coins are still pumping very, very well. And another one. So we can see already 4 or 5 memes that are already leading the gainers list in the top 100. That's why the narrative is still the same. Meme coins are pumping, and a lot of people like meme coins because of the community aspect. They just want some quick buys. They also like the gambling aspect. Like, don't get me wrong, meme coins are very high risk and very volatile. You can literally, most of them, 98% of the meme coins, I would say, go to zero, and you will lose it. Not to zero, but they will go to like some unimportant market caps that you cannot even take your money out. Now, let's see what I would buy right now. We can see Bitcoin is almost breaking the new all-time high. We need to take a look at Ethereum, and it's very important to take a look at Ethereum right here, because once Ethereum will break this high, in my opinion, so once we go above the 2,775, this is where we are facing a little bit of resistance. I think that's the moment when we will basically see a nice altcoins, and most of the altcoins on Ethereum will pump as well. So we need to go above this area. Here we are facing still strong resistance. Let's quickly zoom out a little bit so we can see. We need basically to create a new higher high, and after that we can see we still have this resistance here. So basically we actually have to go above this resistance, above the 2,850, let's say, so we can expect a nice altcoins. We can see already some are moving, like stacks already up a lot. Also this week it went from $1.70. Right here are we on the, we can see from $1.70, even $1.55. This was when the big crash happened. Right here we went up to $1.94. So quite amazing opportunities. If you are a trader, you can definitely take advantage of these opportunities. On WEEX, you can see we pumped here 25%. So 25% with 10x leverage is 250%. So you can literally double your trading portfolio. Now, what else do we have here? Which other interesting altcoins do we have here? Let's see what's the biggest gainer. Here we can see some nice gainers in the last 24 hours. These are some new tokens. I wouldn't really recommend buying them because they are very, very risky. In my opinion, I think some of the good projects, like Jupiter, we can see Jupiter is quite nice. Jupiter is another exchange on the Solana. It's around $1 now. It dropped actually to 50 cents a couple of months ago. So you can basically also make some good money on spot guys. Like if we take a look here, we see we dropped here to like 75 cents. Actually, what was the price here? 50 cents. We can see it here. 50 cents in February. And if you would have bought from there, you would have had the chance to take profits in this price here, which is 3x already from your buy price. So spot trading is still very profitable. You don't have to use any leverage if you're not a professional. You can definitely learn with a smaller trading account how to trade. You can use $100, $1,000, depends on your budget, and you can start with low leverage, 5x, 3x, 10x, whatever you feel comfortable with, and you can learn how to take advantage of the market. Make sure you join my group on Telegram, where I'm giving a lot of alpha for you, and also follow me on Twitter, where I share a lot of information about charts, technical analysis, and much more. Now let's take a look. I want actually to go over here and show you some other nice altcoins. Like we can go here to categories, and we can see the Sui ecosystem is definitely going up a lot. So Sui ecosystem, I'm very bullish on it. Let's see if there are some nice tokens like Deep Protocol. I've traded it a little bit actually when it just launched on Maxi, and made some gains, but it's quite volatile. You have to be very careful with that. Then we can see here we have Cetus, actually also a nice place, 28% up in the last 7 days, quite nicely, and some other projects. Now I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.